Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your Windows PC files from your iPhone without using any cable, without installing any apps, and without any extra software. We're going to use your Wi-Fi network and the built-in SMB feature on both devices. First, let's enable file sharing on your Windows computer. Open the control panel and go to Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Now turn on Network Discovery, and also turn on File and Printer Sharing. Next, choose the folder you want to access on your iPhone. Right-click the folder, choose Properties, go to the Sharing tab, and click Advanced Sharing. Enable Share this folder. Then click Permissions and give everyone at least read access. Click OK to save. Now we need your computer's IP address. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type CMD, and press Enter. In the command prompt, type IP protocol configuration and find the line called IPv4 address. Keep this number ready. We'll use it on the iPhone. Now grab your iPhone. Open the Files app and go to Browse. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Connect to Server. In the Server field, type your computer IP address. Tap Right, choose Registered User, and enter your Windows username and password. Then tap Right again. You should now see your Windows shared folder right inside the Files app. You can open pictures, videos, documents, or copy files between your PC and iPhone instantly, completely wireless. In this part of the video, I'll show you how to save your iPhone photos and videos directly into your Windows shared folder using the Save to Files option. Open the Photos app on your iPhone and select the photo or video you want to transfer. Once selected, tap the Share button at the bottom left of the screen. This opens all the sharing options. In the Share menu, scroll down and tap the option called Save to Files. This lets us save the photo or video into any folder connected in the Files app, including your Windows PC Share. Tap on your Windows PC shared folder. Tap Save in the top right corner. Your photo or video will be uploaded wirelessly to your Windows PC through your Wi-Fi network. Now go to the shared folder on your Windows computer, and you'll see the photo or video saved there. This works for any file size as long as both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. You've just connected your Windows computer to your iPhone with no cables and no extra apps. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching.